Welcome. Today we're diving into the fundamentals of research and its pivotal role in user experience or UX. Whether you're new to UX or looking to deepen your understanding, this journey will help you see how research shapes exceptional products. We'll explore what research is, why it matters, and how it bridges the gap between assumptions and real user needs. By the end, you'll appreciate how research reduces risk, validates ideas, and ensures products truly solve real problems for real people. Let's get started by defining what research means in the context of UX. The word research comes from re-meaning again and again, and search to find out something. In UX, research is a systematic investigation, collecting, organizing, and evaluating information about your target audience, users, or the context of a product or service. This process is essential for understanding what users truly need, not just what we assume they want. By grounding design decisions in real data, research helps us create solutions that are both effective and meaningful. User research is a cornerstone of the design process. It bridges the gap between what we think users need and what they actually require. By investing in research, teams can reduce risk, validate ideas early, and ensure that products address real problems. This not only saves time and resources, but also leads to solutions that resonate with users. Ultimately, research is about making informed decisions that drive better outcomes for both users and businesses. User experience research is at the heart of human-centered design. It's not just about gathering data. It's about informing strategy, reducing risk, and increasing user satisfaction. Research provides the insights needed to make strategic product decisions, ensuring alignment with both user needs and business goals. By testing assumptions early, teams can avoid costly mistakes and pivot before investing heavily in the wrong direction. This deep understanding uncovers opportunities for innovation and differentiation. Research isn't just about numbers, it's about people. By understanding users on a deeper level, we build empathy and create products that genuinely resonate. Research uncovers issues we might never have considered, leading to innovative solutions. This process helps teams see beyond their own perspectives and focus on what truly matters to users. Empathy and problem identification are the foundation of meaningful, user-centered design. There are three main purposes of research in UX: exploratory, descriptive, and explanatory. Exploratory research helps us discover unknown problems and generate insights about user behaviors and needs. Descriptive research documents and characterizes user behaviors, preferences, and demographics, establishing a baseline understanding. Explanatory research digs deeper to understand why certain behaviors occur and validates cause and effect relationships. Each type serves a unique purpose in the product development lifecycle. Exploratory research is used in the early stages of a project when the problem space is unclear. It's about discovering unknown problems, understanding user contexts, and generating insights about behaviors and needs. Methods include field studies, ethnographic research, diary studies, and open-ended interviews. This approach helps teams uncover opportunities and define the direction for further research and design. Descriptive research is all about documenting and characterizing user behaviors, preferences, and demographics. It's used when you need to understand current behaviors and patterns. Common methods include surveys, analytics analysis, observational studies, and persona development. This type of research establishes a baseline understanding, helping teams make informed decisions based on real user data. Explanatory research is used to understand why certain behaviors or patterns occur. It's ideal for testing specific hypotheses or validating cause and effect relationships between variables. Methods include A/B testing, usability testing, controlled experiments, and comparative studies. This approach provides evidence for why users act the way they do, supporting data-driven design decisions. Primary research involves gathering new, original data directly from your target users. This approach provides first-hand insights tailored to your product's unique context. It's especially valuable when you need to fill gaps in existing knowledge or answer specific current research questions. By designing research questions and methods that address your unique objectives, primary research delivers highly relevant and actionable insights. Primary research offers direct insights, tailored to your goals and challenges. By gathering fresh, first-hand information, you avoid relying on existing data that may not fit your needs. This approach yields rich and deep qualitative and quantitative data, helping you understand user behaviors, motivations, and pain points in detail. The result is a nuanced understanding that supports more effective product design. Common techniques for primary research include user interviews, usability testing, surveys, focus groups, and observational studies. Each method has unique advantages depending on your research questions. For example, interviews provide deep qualitative insights, while surveys can reach a larger audience for quantitative data. Selecting the right method ensures you gather the most useful information for your project. Secondary research involves analyzing data that has already been collected by others. This approach provides valuable context, identifies market trends, and informs the direction of your primary research. It's cost and time efficient, allowing you to access vast amounts of data quickly. However, it's important to critically evaluate sources for reliability and relevance to your research questions. Secondary research is highly efficient, giving you access to a broad market context and helping validate or inform your primary research. By cross-referencing findings, you can validate assumptions or pinpoint areas needing deeper investigation. Common sources include academic journals, industry reports, government statistics, and competitor analysis. Always ensure your sources are reliable and relevant. When conducting secondary research, it's important to select sources carefully. Academic journals, industry reports, government statistics, market research firms, competitor analysis, and public databases are all valuable. Be critical and analytical, recognize potential biases or limitations in the data. This ensures your research is built on a solid foundation. Understanding the difference between primary and secondary research is fundamental for effective UX strategy. Primary research collects original data directly from users, offering highly specific and tailored insights. Secondary research analyzes existing data, providing a broader perspective and market context. Each approach has unique advantages and is suited for different stages and objectives in product development. Primary research is more time-consuming and expensive, but offers high control and specificity. Methods include interviews, usability testing, and field studies. Secondary research is generally faster and more cost-effective, using literature reviews, market reports, and public databases. By leveraging both, designers gain a comprehensive understanding of users and the market, leading to better decisions and successful products. Ethics are at the core of responsible UX research. As researchers, we have a duty to protect participants' welfare and avoid causing harm. Ethical research means respecting the rights, well-being, and dignity of everyone involved. This includes obtaining informed consent, ensuring privacy, and being transparent about how data will be used. Good ethics lead to better research and more trustworthy insights. Informed consent is a non-negotiable foundation of ethical research. Participants must understand what they're agreeing to, how their data will be used, and their right to withdraw at any time. Privacy and confidentiality are equally important. Identities and sensitive information must be protected, and data should be stored securely. Transparency and honesty about research purposes and methods build trust and ensure participants feel respected. Ethical research means designing studies that avoid physical, psychological, or social harm. Researchers must be mindful of power dynamics and vulnerable populations. It's also crucial to be truthful about research purposes and not manipulate findings to support predetermined conclusions. Respecting participants leads to more reliable and actionable insights. Choosing the right research methodology is crucial for uncovering meaningful insights. Methodologies are broadly categorized into qualitative and quantitative approaches. Each offers unique strengths depending on your research questions. Quantitative research focuses on measurable data and statistical analysis, while qualitative research seeks deep understanding and context. Quantitative research aims to determine the what, where, and when of user needs and problems. It relies on measurable data, statistical analysis, and generalizable findings. Methods are highly structured, such as surveys, and are ideal for identifying patterns across large user groups. This approach is less direct, often remote, and results are always quantifiable. Qualitative research seeks to understand the why behind user behaviors. It's about deep understanding, context, and insights. Methods are loosely structured, such as contextual inquiries or open-ended interviews, and typically involve smaller sample sizes. This approach is more direct and personal, providing rich, detailed data that requires human analysis. Effective UX research often combines both qualitative and quantitative methods. This mixed approach provides a comprehensive understanding of user needs and product performance. Quantitative data reveals patterns and trends, while qualitative insights explain the reasons behind those patterns. Together, they inform better design decisions. Interviews are essential tools in qualitative research, allowing researchers to gather rich, detailed data. By asking open-ended questions, interviewers can explore complex subjects and understand personal experiences. Interviews can be conducted face-to-face, by telephone, or online, each offering unique advantages for interaction and data collection. Interviews can be conducted in several ways. Face-to-face interviews allow for high interaction and observation of nonverbal cues, but can be time-intensive. Telephone interviews are efficient for reaching geographically dispersed participants. Video or online interviews offer modern, flexible options for remote, real-time interaction, making them increasingly popular in today's digital world. There are several types of interview methods in qualitative research. Structured interviews use a predetermined set of questions for consistency and comparability. Unstructured interviews are more flexible, allowing for natural conversations and in-depth exploration. Semi-structured interviews blend both approaches, using a question guide but allowing flexibility. Focus group interviews involve multiple participants, leveraging group dynamics for shared insights. Interviews offer several advantages. They provide depth and nuance, allowing researchers to probe deeper into responses and understand motivations. The flexibility of interviews means questions can be adapted to the respondent's understanding. Clarification is possible in real time, and nonverbal cues add valuable context. These strengths make interviews a powerful tool for qualitative research. Despite their strengths, interviews have some disadvantages. They are time-intensive and often expensive to conduct, from scheduling to transcription and analysis. Interviewer bias can influence participant responses, and the small sample size may not be representative. Additionally, qualitative data from interviews can be complex and challenging to analyze. Observational studies involve systematically watching and recording behaviors, events, or objects in their natural or controlled environments. This method provides in-depth, objective, and contextual insights, answering how and why users behave as they do. Observational studies are especially useful when self-reported data may be unreliable or incomplete. Observational studies can be participant or non-participant, structured or unstructured, overt or covert, and naturalistic or controlled. Participant observation involves the researcher joining the group being studied, while non-participant observation is more detached. Structured observation uses checklists for quantitative data, while unstructured observation allows for descriptive note-taking. Each type offers unique advantages depending on your research goals. Observational studies capture actual behavior rather than relying on self-reports, leading to high accuracy. They provide deep, contextual insights into social conditions and behaviors. The flexibility of this method allows researchers to adapt to different environments, making it a valuable tool for understanding real-world user interactions. Despite their strengths, observational studies can be time-consuming as it may take a long time to observe necessary behaviors. Researcher bias can influence findings through subjective interpretation. Additionally, covert observation can raise ethical concerns, particularly regarding privacy and consent. Surveys and questionnaires are powerful quantitative methods for gathering structured data from a large number of participants. They use standardized questions, often with multiple choice or rating scales, enabling researchers to collect measurable feedback and identify broad patterns or trends. This approach is highly efficient for understanding user demographics, attitudes, and behaviors at scale. Surveys offer scalability and reach, allowing data collection from a large, geographically diverse audience. They are generally inexpensive to design and distribute, especially with online tools, leading to rapid data collection. Anonymity encourages higher honesty and participation, particularly for sensitive topics. Standardized questions also reduce bias and enable easy comparison and statistical analysis. The structured nature of surveys allows for easy comparison, visualization, and statistical analysis. This makes it possible to quickly identify trends and patterns across a user base. The consistency of the data collected ensures that results are reliable and actionable, supporting data-driven decision-making in UX design. Identifying and understanding your target audience is a foundational step in any successful UX research initiative. This involves pinpointing the specific group of people your product or service is designed for, based on demographics, behaviors, needs, and motivations. Clear audience definition ensures that research efforts are focused and effective, maximizing impact and informing communication strategies. A well-defined target audience enables the creation of products and services that truly resonate with users. By tailoring design to specific user needs, behaviors, and preferences, teams can increase the likelihood of user adoption and satisfaction. This clarity also helps craft compelling messaging that speaks directly to the audience's motivations and pain points. User segmentation is the process of dividing a user base into distinct groups based on shared characteristics, such as behaviors or demographics. This enables targeted, personalized, and more effective UX design and product strategies. Segmentation helps teams address the unique needs of different user groups, leading to better outcomes for both users and businesses. User segmentation offers several benefits. It allows for more personalized experiences, targeted communication, and efficient resource allocation. By understanding the unique needs of each segment, teams can design features and messaging that resonate more deeply, increasing user satisfaction and business success. Segmentation can be based on a variety of factors, including demographics, behaviors, or even psychographics. By analyzing these characteristics, teams can create user personas and tailor experiences to different segments. This approach ensures that products and services meet the diverse needs of the entire user base. Visual representations of user segments can help teams quickly understand the distribution and characteristics of their user base. Charts, graphs, and persona cards are useful tools for communicating segmentation insights across teams, ensuring everyone is aligned on who the users are and what they need. It's important to distinguish between user segmentation and target users. Segmentation divides the user base into groups, while target users are the specific group a product or feature is designed for. Understanding both concepts ensures that research and design efforts are focused and effective, maximizing the impact of UX initiatives. By applying segmentation insights, teams can prioritize features, tailor messaging, and allocate resources more effectively. This leads to products that better meet user needs and drive higher engagement. Segmentation is a powerful tool for creating user-centered designs that deliver real value. In summary, research is the backbone of effective UX design. By understanding different research types, methodologies, and ethical considerations, teams can create products that truly resonate with users. Whether through primary or secondary research, interviews, observations, or surveys, the insights gained drive better decisions and more successful outcomes. Remember, great UX starts with great research.